Lincoln Tech's proven to be an amazing source for talented technicians. I've worked with them for years and hired dozens, if not hundreds, of technicians, and really excited to have a strong partnership with them and being able to help out with developing their technicians.
I've had great success hiring out of Lincoln Tech for the last 7 years. I've been coming to these career fairs and have brought in, somewhere between 15 and 20 Lincoln Tech students and our organization during that time. And it's just been a great place to come and meet, people who are excited to get into the industry and try to pair the right people with a good job.
We've hired plenty of guys from here, and we like the groundwork that these guys come out of. We like the fact that they come out with tools, they have a pretty good background, and getting a walk of the whole course, you're able to see there's more equipment, so it's very nice to see the program itself growing.
We come to Lincoln Tech because we feel they have the most up-to-date equipment. Obviously, as you can see here, we feel that they have a good curriculum. The engagement in the community is really well, and they have a great outreach, right? So they talk with a lot of the community, a lot of individual businesses, so good time to capitalize on that.
We believe in what Lincoln Tech does here. It provides a good training ground for these students. We kind of look at this as like Major League Baseball, where you have a farm club. They learn at the farm club level, and they move up to major leagues when they graduate. So we really stress the students to finish their studies and to graduate before they come to work for us. But we do hire students on a part-time basis. It lets them get a feel for the real world.
I'm graduating in 2014. I can see that Lincoln Tech's still on top. Lincoln Tech still provides that quality learning experience and something that other places you can't find, for sure.
It's excellent. I've been with Hussman now for about 6 years and have the opportunity to work with Lincoln Tech for about 5 of those years, so it's gone really well.
We're here at Lincoln Tech today looking for students to put into the PTI program. We're excited to share that we are starting the PTI program in Nashville in August of this year. So this is a great opportunity for students to come to work for any Peterbilt dealer across the network. Lincoln Tech provides us with just great students with a lot of training, a lot of basics. The excitement level is great.
Love the relationship that we have with Lincoln Tech. We have 3 locations right in your backyard here, and it's this relationship that helps us hire the best technicians in the business. So we really appreciate it and happy to be here and support the cause.
For the training that comes out of Lincoln Tech, definitely, they cover all of the points that we have that we need in our industry, as well as the idea of coming out with the work ethic and teaching them the responsibilities that I think really makes people successful in our garage. So being able to connect with, that atmosphere and the culture that they cultivate here at Lincoln Tech really translates over into what we do for our industry and the guests that we serve.
We've had great success with Lincoln Tech students in the past, just motivated, excited to learn, to grow. What we do is a very high level. We do custom paints, again, very high level on a high production scale. So we need attention to detail, and we found a lot of these students have that. They have that desire to learn, to grow, to do, and to make a high quality product.
We've been very successful recruiting from Lincoln Tech. We've gotten really good candidates from Lincoln Tech as far as on the welding and actually the HVAC side.
Come to Lincoln Tech because this is one of the prominent places to where these guys get a good education, get good knowledge and skills, and we just take that and make sure we just take them to the next level. So they're getting a great foundation here, and they have a plethora of good resources and students for us to talk to, and so they're getting a great foundation here, and this is where it starts.